Hi y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a little bit of a Target unboxing. So let's just say that I had myself a little bit of a shopping spree tonight, and I figured I would share with you everything that I purchased. I just got back from the store, so I'm just gonna show you, and then the stuff's gonna go to my closet. But right now, Target has like a ton of things that are just super cute. But anyways, first of all, thank you for dropping in. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel. That way you always see everything that I'm bringing to you. Okie dokie, so I'm gonna start out right away. I'm just gonna try to keep this pretty quick and show you some of the fun things that I've got. So this hoodie, I am been a sucker for like, well, y'all know that I love me some pink and some mauve. I mean, hint what I'm wearing right now. But this hunter green color as well. Like, I've just been in love with this. But this is a cute little, like, it's not super oversized, but it's like a little bit baggy, like crop style hoodie. And it's super cute on. The arms are super long, like as far as for me, they're totally fine. I got this in a medium just because I want it to be a little extra baggy, and it fits super nice on. Like the cropped, it hits more like, we'll say right here. So it's like a longer crop style versus as like a belly shirt. But if you wanted to be like self-conscious, you know, maybe throw a tank on underneath it. But this is super cute. Also, I found this fun little long sleeve shirt. This is super lightweight, and it's baby pink, which is my absolute favorite, along with like creamy, cream white, we'll say, little stripes. And I love the little bottom detail there. It's like a little twisted knot at the bottom, and it's like a fitted but relaxed style long sleeve. It's really soft as well. Okay, and I have another fun, like, just comfy, cozy PJ set here that I found. These are like so extremely soft. But here are the shorts. So it's just this cute little elastic waistband and then this cute little ruffle trim. I mean, I'm a sucker for ruffles and anything girly. Of course, you already know this, but I got these in a size small. They fit great. They're super lightweight. They're very soft. I think it came in, I know it came in like a light gray color as well. And I think that might be it as far as for the shorts. But they had a lot of different colors for this style top that I'm going to get to. So the matching top is a long sleeve, and it's the same material, lightweight, and it has this adorable little ruffle there like on the arm. I love it so much. This is also in a size small, and it fits perfect. It's not tight and it's not too big or anything. It's like perfect. But I love it. It's so cute. I can't wait to wear it, because especially since it's getting a little bit cooler, finally here in Florida, it's finally starting to feel like fall. So this is gonna be great because I have some chilly nights in the house. And then I found some really cute fuzzy little slipper slides. So these are just like some fun little furry sandals, but they are unbelievably soft. Like, they are just so soft. Did I get makeup on it? No, okay, I'm good. But they had these in, I saw these in cream, this like tanny cream color, and then the stripe is black, pink, and white. So yeah, totally right up my alley. They also had these in like a lilac, like a light purple. The purple is pretty. I didn't really care for the stripe that was across it on the purple, just not my thing. Like, this is totally more me. But these are so incredibly soft. Just for like a slipper slide around the house, like, definitely you'll want these. I promise you, they're so soft. They are from, is it Gilligan? Is that it? Yeah, Gilligan and O'Malley is the brand. And these were only $20, $19.99. I got a size large. It's a 9-10. I'm like an 8.5. So especially for just a slipper, I just decided to size up a little bit, just because, you know, this is for around the house, walking around, taking the dog out. Get these, you're gonna love them. One more little hoodie that I got, that's just like in the casual wear category, or it can be like for in the house, running errands, or just, you know, your casual fall day out, is this hoodie. This, again, they had it in several different colors, and I'm always drawn to like the mauves and maroons. Like I love me some pink and reds, like especially when they blend together. It's just my favorite. So of course I was drawn to this color, but they had a beautiful, it was like similar to the army green that I showed you in that first hoodie, but it was more of like a tealish. It was more like a green blue and like kind of like that dusty, like toned down vintage effect to it, rather than as dark green as that other one was. But they had that. They also had a really pretty like deepish purple blue color, and they also had it in light gray, which was cute as well. But I ended up deciding to do the maroon because I just thought it was really, really cute. I love the sleeves, how they have this like princess little, I guess that's what you call it. I think so. Anyways, I think this is called like a princess cut, basically, where it's kind of like a little poof sleeve, but instead of it being up on the shoulder, it's like halfway down the arm. So it just is really nice. Again, I got this in a medium just because I want it to be a little extra baggy and just more cozy loungewear style. Yeah, it hits more like around your bicep area, but it's really cute. It's lightweight. So again, if you're in Florida or somewhere where it doesn't get extremely cold, or if you like layers, this is a good go-to. Okay, and I found some fun activewear actually for you. I usually don't shop the Target activewear just because I'm not gonna lie, I tend to be kind of like a snob when it comes to my activewear, just because I do so much of it that I just want to have like good, high quality things. And so I usually just tend to like not even take a glance in there. But tonight I did, and there were some really cute things. So I'm gonna go through the things that I got, and then I also will like kind of give you my opinion on this brand that I bought some of the things from. It's just like, it's hit or miss. But let's get started with the leggings first. So from Joy Lab is the brand. I found these really pretty. This color is just so beautiful. It's like a dusty teal blue color. And it's just, they're so pretty. So I got these in a size small. They didn't have a medium, which I really wish they would have, just so I could have like tried one to the other. The small fits me well, but at the same time, it has like this little elastic band around the top. And I'm not gonna lie, it cuts in a little bit, but it's okay. It's not too bad. Just makes me work harder in the gym. So there you go. Because the medium, I was worried if they would have had it for me to try, it probably would have been too big and like falling down constantly in my legs. And so that would have been irritating. But I want to show you, if I can right now, basically they have this mesh paneling here on the side of the leg, which is just really, really cute. And then it goes down when you get basically by the kneecap. Then basically your entire calf and shin is just totally sheer. It's all sheer there at the bottom. I want to put these on to show you, but at the same time, I just had like a crazy try-on sesh at the store, and I'm feeling a little lazy, to be quite honest. But I will definitely say these are uber cute, and basically this comes down right underneath the knee, and then the rest of your leg down is completely in that sheer teal color, and they're pretty. They have a pocket here in the front right hip as well, so that's nice. It's only gonna be like to hold a key or maybe your chapstick or something like that. It's not a very big pocket, but these are cute. And then to go with that, which this top I absolutely love. I had to buy it in actually 2 colors because I couldn't decide, and I love them both. So this tank top is so darling. So at first when I saw it on the hanger, it kind of like gave me that camo vibe, which I love me some camo. But again, I love this like dusty light teal color. I love how this thing cinches in the front. It only cinches in the front. In the back, it's just like your regular tank top. So it kind of like does it on an angle, and it's just, it makes it like kind of cinch in the waist a little bit without being like crazy form fitting. Because we all know we have those days where we feel a little extra and we're just like, I want to look skinny, but I don't want to really show it. So this is a great top for that. I got this in a size small. Again, it fits great. I absolutely love it. The other color is this deeper turquoise, which I just couldn't decide for fall. I really was loving this shade more, but I thought the light color on me was like I don't know. I think maybe it's because I tried the light on with the leggings that matched, and it was just like perfecto. And I was like, I need that outfit. But anyways, this is really pretty too. I mean, if they made it in like a mauve or black even, that would be great. And I'll probably have to go back and get more. I mean, you tell me, do you like this color better on me? Or do you like this color better on me? Just leave it down in the comments, because honestly, I feel silly having two shirts that are identical just in two different colors, but they honestly are very similar. So I might be taking one of these back. I really can't decide. So I would appreciate the help and your opinion on that. And then I found this super, super cute sports bra. I was really impressed, to be quite honest, with their sports bra selections, which I've been going like fanatic over sports bras lately. Like I used to like control myself because usually they were underneath my shirt. So I'm just like, no one's seeing it, but I've gotten like this confidence all of a sudden again, where I'm just like, I'm gonna wear a sports bra to the gym and work out and like make myself feel good about how I look, so then I push myself to be harder at the gym. So anyways, that's just all this mind game thing that I play when I go work out. There you go. Now you're filled in as well. But anyways, I really did like this sports bra. So it's like a combination of black, navy, and turquoise. And then it's like this vibrant pop of orange. And I'm pretty sure it's like a floral print. Really liked the shape of it with that V. There is padding inside. And then the back, it just has that double like crisscross strap for the back. And it's really, really cute. It fits really nice. If you can see here, as I'm holding it up like towards the outsides of it, right there where like it would go down underneath your arm, it's like cut a little bit wider. So it's nice because it covers that barm. At least that's what I call it. It's like the fat from your armpit and your boob. You kind of need it, ladies, because you know you need to move your arm. But some of us, you can see it more than others. And for me, it's one of my biggest pet peeves on my body. I'm just like, ugh, go away, I hate it. But I will say the cut of this makes it sit like a little bit higher where it's not as obvious. And I really loved that about it. Okay, the last thing for this little unboxing haul from Target is another little workout like cover up. So it's like your athleisure to and from the studio or the gym. And this is so soft again. Like honestly, if I didn't know this was from Target, if I saw someone wearing this into class one day, I'd be like, where's that from? Is it from Lululemon? Is it from Athleta? Like, that's how nice this looks. So anyways, again, this is all the workout stuff was from JoyLab. And it's just this like, it's not a crop, but it has that elastic little band at the bottom of it where it like hits right at your waistline, or like at the hem of your pants. So it's like, but long sleeve, super cute. It's dark charcoal, and then the back is completely open. It has like a little tie to make sure that it stays on, but it's that deep V open back, and it's just really, really adorable on. I loved it. I had to get it. But again, it's super lightweight, super stretchy, super soft. I promise you, if you find this at your store, if you go shopping online, you're gonna want it and you're gonna love it. I think they had this in purple or like a fuchsia as well, but it was like almost too vibrant. I was like, it's fall. That's like more summer looking. So this you can wear with like everything. Okay, what I want to talk about now with JoyLab, just my opinion, because I said that I don't really ever shop the athletic wear from Target. So in my opinion, the things that I've got, I absolutely love and they fit me well, with the exception of the teal leggings. I wish I could have tried them in a medium just to see the difference. But again, I think the medium, as you work out, you know how you get like saggy crotch and they start to fall down. I think that's what would have happened. They're not see-through, which is great. But all the other style leggings that I tried on from that same brand, there was like a cute little like moto black legging where it had like the little moto stripes on the shin, and then it was like a mesh calf back. Well, like the stitching on the top and the bottom of the mesh was so tight, I couldn't even get up over my calf. And that was in a size small. And I was just like, okay, my calf's not that fat. So that kind of sucked. That, and then there was like a navy black marled print one, and I got them on, but it just like, they weren't flattering. Like they were 7th, 8th as well, but they almost felt more like a 3/4, like a capri length on me, because they're supposed to be high-waisted, and so it was just like not working out. Maybe it's just my body type. I am quite long-legged especially, so maybe that was the problem. And then, oh, there was one more thing. Oh, the sports bra in the teal that matched those teal leggings. It was a similar style to the one that I showed you that I ended up buying, but it was a small, and it was so tight. Like, it cut in under the arm so much, and around the chest it was just like I couldn't breathe, and they didn't have a medium for me to try. So unfortunately I don't have that to match. I could maybe head to online and try it out, but it's almost like, why is it so drastic of a difference, like from one to the next, when the styles are super similar? So that's just kind of like a little downfall. If you are shopping online, just be mindful of that. Maybe read the reviews and see kind of like what the majority have been like purchasing or saying it is about that product. Other than that, that's all of my fun things that I got from Target tonight. Oh, and including a box of wine, because the bottles I just go through too damn fast, and so I got me a box of wine, and she in my fridge right now cooling down as I finish off the bottle right now. Otherwise, I promise I don't have a problem. Maybe just a little. If you liked my things that I showed you in this little unboxing haul from Target, please, please, please give it a thumbs up. I will have everything. I'll try to find everything online right now, and I will link them all down there below for you to shop. If you do choose to shop off of those links, those are my reward style links where I do make a small commission from, but it's so greatly appreciated. It's just greatly appreciated that you're watching my video, honestly. So I do this for y'all. I think it's fun. So that's about it. If you have anything that you want to leave me, say about this video, want to see next, please leave it down there in the comments. I would love to hear. Let me know what color tank top you think is best on me, please, because I need the help. Other than that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe now so you don't forget, and I will see you later.